friends, today we will tell you about ETH. We know what decentralized system is and how it works. Decentralized systems are called systems that are made by combining smart contracts and blockchains. There is no other administrator running on such a system. Once a system is created, no one can shut down the system. So let's know about this system. The name of the system is Rapido Run. Europe has a system that has not been launched yet. While making the video, it may be launched. Its official domain is friends www.rapido.com, and its official Telegram group is at Rapido Run Official. This system works on Ethereum. If you do not know about Ethereum, let me tell you. Talk about Bitcoin as the world's largest cryptocurrency, which is second largest currency. Ethereum, guys. You can join at least 0.03 Ethereum to join this system. This system works on 3 types of matrices. The first is friends Rapido X3, the second is Rapido X4, and the last is friends Rapido X8. So let us know how this system works. As you register with 0.03 Ethereum, every single slot on your 3 matrices becomes buy. The slot is bought by 0.01 ETH on X3, 0.01 ETH on X4, and 0.01 Ethereum on last X8 as well. Let us first understand X3. After that we have understood the rest of the matrix. You put 3 direct on the X3. Out of that, you get 100% income from 2 people. Direct number 3 goes to your reinvest, and its income goes to your direct upline. So friends, in this way you can make a small team and take very big income, just like you gave 3 direct. If you do the team by doing this, then you will come under you again, and will give income again and again. The X3 has 15 slots or 15 levels in easy language. So let's understand X4. There are 2 lines on the X4. 2 people come on the first line. That 2 members can also come from your direct or your upline overflow. Meaning you can also come from your upline help. You do not have income with that 2 people. All income on the first line goes to your direct upline. After that, friends come under 2 like 4 members. You get 100% income from 3 of the 4 people, and the 4th man's income goes upline to you. Friends also have 15 slots on the X4. You can buy a lot of slots slowly, and take a huge income. So let's understand X8. Friends in X8 are 3 lines. 2 people arrive on the first line. You do not have income from both people. The income of 2 people goes to your upline to upline. Super upline. Then there are 4 members on the second line. You do not have income from 4 people. The income of 4 people goes to your direct upline, whose friends get 8 men in 3 number line. Your income starts from here. Out of 8 people, you get income from 7 people. The number 8 member goes into reinvest, and his income goes to your direct upline. So friends' plan works according to this. You can get a lot of income by buying a forward slot. You have the advantage to buy as many slots as you can. If you buy your downline slot before you, then your income gets burnt off your upline. So you try to get your team to walk with you. So let's see how much income weight a decentralized system so can get by mixing all the slots. Everyone gets recycled once, so the total income is 600 Ethereum once recycled. There is so much income. So you can understand how much income you can have once a day or 1 time a month. Currently, the price of 1 Ethereum in US dollars is more than about $300. If you work with a good team and make your team, then you can earn more than 100 Ethereum daily. I give you one of my suggestions. You can earn maximum Ethereum in a day. My suggestion is that if you work with a team of 3 people, then there can be huge income going forward. I'm going to do according to this. If you want to join my team, below is my number in the description. If you get more than 3 members, then help your team. You will not get direct income, but they can get very large in future. There is a prediction going on right now. By 2025, the price of 1 Ethereum can flash around $100,000. You should try to earn maximum Ethereum from this system, and keep the same Ethereum in stock. Ethereum price of $500 by the end of this year. Since the end of this year, the price of Ethereum can go up to $500 or $1,000. So don't waste any time on this system, and make your dreams come true. Blessed after watching.